In a world with growing energy demand, shortage of natural resources, the environment threatened by irreversible pollution and climate change, the search for more efficient and sustainable ways to produce power and to transport it to end users is today's critical task. Besides, modern industrial production systems require unprecedented quality levels for power supply. Power capacitors, reactive compensation equipment, and harmonic filters manufactured by Leyden are conceived in order to maximize efficiency in the transport and use of power, taking full advantage of existing systems' installed capacity, reducing losses, mitigating undesirable disturbances, and guaranteeing the end user a quality of power that will fit his highest requirements. This is how Leyden contributes to the global goal of generating clean, affordable, and high-quality power wherever it is needed. Leyden manufactures capacitors using only the best raw materials available worldwide and controlling each raw material lot prior to its use. The lots are individually identified and are traceable right down to their origin. Capacitor manufacturing operations, especially element winding and the assembly of element packages, are carried out under strictly controlled ambient conditions, in clean rooms with absolute air filtration and internal overpressure to prevent the entry of dust particles from outside. Such ambient conditions are permanently monitored. Leyden uses the all-film technology, with reinforced 3-layer dielectric of hazy impregnable polypropylene film between high-purity oil-free aluminum foil plates. Leyden capacitors offer extremely low dielectric losses, lower operating temperature, constant capacitance over the whole temperature range, and high kVAr density. Aluminum foil plates are folded on both their side and end edges, which dramatically reduces corona discharge in critical areas of the armatures. Each part of a Leyden capacitor is handled with extreme care by expert hands, with many years of experience in the job. All internal connections are soldered with lead-free alloys, which also contribute to lower losses. Once assembled into stainless steel tanks, capacitors are impregnated with PCB-free synthetic oil under very high vacuum. Impregnation processes, which last several days, are continuously monitored. After impregnation, capacitor tanks are protected with a paint scheme specially designed for long useful life, under the harshest environmental conditions. Capacitors are then tested individually under international IEC or ANSI IEEE standards. Tests are performed in the factory laboratory, which follows the ISO 17025 guidelines. Tests can be witnessed by customers' inspectors. Leiden's factory laboratory is also equipped to carry out virtually all type tests required by IEC or ANSI IEEE standards, including the very demanding aging test with temperature cycling down to -40 degrees centigrade. Design and manufacturing activities for power capacitors, capacitor banks, and harmonic filters are performed under an ISO 9001-2008 quality management system certified by DSUL. The quality and reliability of Leiden capacitors has been certified by major power transmissions and distribution companies. Leiden offers to the market a wide range of capacitor applications. From simple fixed banks for medium voltage overhead distribution lines to large banks and filters for high and medium voltage substations, as well as metal enclosed banks for industrial, oil and gas, and mining applications. Reactive compensation units can also be fitted with a wide assortment of control, protection, communication, and SCADA systems according to the specific requirements of each project. Leiden's sales and technical assistance departments are strongly customer-oriented. They will cooperate with the user in defining his reactive compensation or harmonic filtering needs, then selecting the best technical and cost-effective solution. Leiden is proud of its extensive list of satisfied customers, which include power generation, transmission, and distribution companies, contractors, all kinds of industrial plants, oil and gas and mining operations, as well as large institutional and commercial power users. Leiden exports capacitor equipment to all of South America, several countries in Central America and the Caribbean, the US, Spain, Kuwait, South Africa, Korea, and Australia. Leiden, a name that is synonymous of engineering, expertise, and excellence in reactive compensation and harmonic filtering for low, medium, and high voltage systems.